Hi, my name's Jill, and I'm on the Amazon QuickSight team. And in the next few minutes, we're going to look at how to get started with Amazon QuickSight as a user that we call a reader. QuickSight is Amazon's unified BI service, and it helps you derive insights from data by having interactive dashboards, paginated reports, and even natural language queries and embedded analytics. The story told by your data reflects the expertise and choices of the person who built the dashboard, which is a user that we call an author. A reader is a user who interacts with the data by searching, clicking on controls, filters, drilling up and down, exploring visualizations in order to better understand patterns and even asking questions in natural language. When you view a dashboard, you're seeing the most recently received data, and as you interact with the items on the screen, any changes you make change your view of the dashboard and no one else's. Let's take a closer look at some of the basics and help you get started. Beginning with the QuickSight homepage, what we're looking at here is in the upper left corner, the QuickSight logo. I like to start there because whenever you click on that logo, it'll bring you right back to this view of everything in QuickSight. Going down from there, you'll notice that there's a search box where you can type in by name and find any of your assets. There's a favorites area where you can actually click the little star button on any of the dashboards, and then it gets stored into your favorites, and you can organize it either by grid or by a list. You can see your most recent dashboards. You can organize your dashboards into folders and access those shared with you. You can also access the QuickSight community, and that's a great place to learn with other QuickSight users and to find searchable answers and all kinds of learning events. The community is also accessible from the upper right corner where there's a little question mark button, and there's more getting started videos and our documentation, and you can personalize things from the upper icon in the upper right corner, either the region or the background language that you're seeing. To get started with QuickSight, just choose one of your dashboards and let's open it up. This is a newly available dashboard that allows you to kind of get a launch pad, if you will, to interact with different learning resources. And at the heart of this is information about our administrator, developer, and reader experiences, and a table filled with all of our learning resources, and you can choose how much time you want to spend. You can go through videos, you can go through sample learning experiences, but let's take a look at a sample dashboard that has a lot of different interactive visuals. So on my sample dashboard, I have a KPI metric, a key performance indicator, showing that my week over week sales revenue has gone up slightly. It's in green, indicating it's gone up. Some of the things common to all of the visuals is that you can maximize or minimize those visuals. So you see you can do that with your line chart here that has a nice little forecast. Whenever you're interacting with the visual, I would encourage you to move your mouse around, and you'll see that sometimes there's tooltips, which is more information that the author has helped you to have access to. You can use the scroll bars. Again, you can maximize or minimize, and you would also have the ability to export data from this little 3-dot option in the top. As you're looking through different kinds of visuals, each one has slightly different options. This pie chart actually has a little drill down button, so if I click drill down, you'll see that it has region information and subregion information. You get back to where you were by drilling up and down with those arrows. Different chart types have different kinds of features, and we won't go into all of the chart types here. There's actually 31 different kinds of charts. You can see all kinds of interactive opportunities here. A few of the common things we've already talked about. I personally love to schedule reports, things that are valuable to me that I want to see either daily, weekly, or monthly. I can schedule to have that report. As I interact with and get to a specific view of a dashboard, I actually like to bookmark those. So you can add a bookmark, you can customize it and share it. You can also export the entire dashboard, including we have a new paginated report feature that allows you to really get into great detail of that, but these are some of the common features across the different dashboards. I would also call out that in addition to the common interactions I've shown here, I love the threshold alert. So whether you have a KPI or say a gauge chart that allows you to pick a specific value, that when the data reaches that exact number or goes above or below it, that can then be sent to you via email, and you're seeing an example of that here. You can also set up alerts for anomalies in the data, and that is a huge savings for just time that somebody would have to monitor something. So as I mentioned, there are 31 different options, and we'll do follow-up videos to show interactions that are more detailed about the different ones. But I would encourage you to learn more about using QuickSight as a reader, an author, a developer, or an administrator by visiting the QuickSight community, and you can access our searchable answers and post your own questions if you become a member of the community, and access all kinds of learning resources that are either on demand or live events where you can connect with our experts, including our partners, our solutions architects, and there's even a new developers corner. So look forward to connecting with you for more learning. Thank you for visiting the QuickSight Getting Started as a Reader.